Hello, my people. This is Anambra election. Anambra election is getting on the way, but people are not turning up. Thank you for IPOB. Thank you for IPOB. People are not turning up. People is not turning up. We can see that they have only a few people there. We can see Ifeanyi Ejiofor. Ifeanyi Ejiofor is here. I don't know what he's doing on the election. This election they were doing is a taboo election. This is not right election. People doesn't do election this way. This is not right way. They should be doing election. Anyway, my people, you can see Ifeanyi Ejiofor speaking right now. If you haven't looked this video, please subscribe, share, like, and put my notification bell on. Please subscribe, keep subscribing on this video. Do not leave this video without no subscribe, and give me your opinion. Your opinion is needed. You guys have to have challenges.